What is up, YouTube? So on this video for the DIY fire pit, I was hell-bent for leather to get it done in the afternoon. I think I spent the whole morning mowing my yard and doing some yard work for the first part of the whole half of the day because it was the first time of the season doing it. I was hell-bent to get this fire pit done. I'd had this barrel for probably almost 6 months sitting in my yard. I got it last fall and wanted to just get this project done, especially after I had done the tree. I wanted to do some burning, you reuse the bricks and all that, so I wanted to get it done. Unfortunately, I took a few video shots, but there are a few just pictures real quick for progress. So I apologize for that. Next time I'll do a little bit better with that. But like I said, I was in a rush. I didn't start this project till after 12 o'clock noon, and I was wanting to get it done before dinner. So just goes to show that if you can do these simple little projects like this in an afternoon and still have pretty good results, it doesn't take a lot to get these done. You just need to have a little bit of time, some of the tools, and some of the materials just sitting around or found. Like I said, like I say in the video, I found this barrel outside of business and just asked them if I can have it. The bricks I pulled from my front yard after I cut down the trees. So look around your house, make your life better, use what you have, buy what you need, but just use what you have around your house and make it better. So enjoy the video. This is, like I said, mainly pictures. There's about half and half video of pictures. So don't forget, hit that like and subscribe button. We'll keep more videos coming for you from Flatland Jeeper, and check me out on my other socials pages: Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, Patreon, here on YouTube. I got more videos coming, guys. Thanks and enjoy. All right, YouTube. So as you can see, I got a big empty barrel here. Found this at a business. They were just getting rid of them, so grabbed one for free. Hopefully you can find one yourself. I got some rocks on there to try put some weight to see if it'll settle into the ground. I'm gonna end up digging it up a little bit, but I don't know if this is a good way to do this. It's a temporary fix for what I'm doing. I plan on putting a big patio deck out here, so but I wanted to try this out first and see how the fire pit went. Plus I've got all the extra lumber from cutting down the trees, so need to start having some fun and enjoying the backyard with the kiddos and my wife. So I'll go through some steps on this. I'm going to end up cutting it down, cut some holes in it to get some ventilation, and build a ring around for protection to keep it from spreading. So I'm sure there's other ways, recommended ways for permanent installations, but this isn't permanent. And like I said, I'm going to plan on putting a big old deck out here. So we'll see how this goes, and I'll keep you updated on the progress. Alright guys, so this is what I got for this is the bottom, which I'm actually going to use as the bottom. I just basically switched to use the battery drill, hole punch, little 1/4 inch drill I think, or smaller 3/8 or 3/16, something like that, and then step drill bit. I was going to do bigger all the way around, but I decided against it. I did use a 2.5 inch hole saw for the center, but then I just used the step drill. I think it goes up to 1/2 inch all the way around, and just made a little pattern so the air can get in during the fire burning, and water can get out if it rains. So we'll move on to the next part. All right guys, so here we are with the fire pit, whatever you want to call it. Sorry about the wind, I'm outside again, obviously. So I drilled holes, like I said, in the bottom, cut little notches in the side. I just took a ball peen hammer and knocked them in so that they're pointed down, so if anything falls, it's going to get pushed back into the pit, not go through the openings, hopefully. So now I am laying the first layer of bricks, and that's the most important one, because you got to make sure that's level to build it up. I'm actually going to go 3 bricks high, and hopefully there's enough room in there for air to circulate properly, since it's elevated up and everything. But this brick here, this first brick, was my primary initial brick that I laid. I made sure it was level, all directions, and I've just been building off of there. You can see over here on this side I had to dig in a little bit more. This side, not so much. I'm working around, and hopefully by the time I get done, everything will line up back over here. So, and then I'll just lay another set of bricks on top. So we'll keep going here and report back. All right, well, here we go. Got a fire burning. Got three rings stacked, and everything seems to be going good. So the wood's just a little wet still from the pine tree cut, but here we go. Thanks. Like, subscribe, comment below, and see you next time from Flatland Jeeper.